Hello everyone, it's SNFLBE, and today I'll be teaching you the basics of using the Chinese drawing app,画世界Pro.
First, when we enter the app and click on the blue plus button, we will get multiple canvas size or customize your own. First, the basics on display. Stop the video or take screenshots to read.
Now we learn how to fix the lines and circles immediately. While drawing, first you draw your line or circle, or any geometric shape, but don't raise your finger pen, just keep pressing on the screen. Just like I did, edit your shape using the white buttons that spear. When done, just click on the screen. Here are my layers. You can clearly see some obvious tools and their uses, but others are hidden. Simply click on your layer and more tools will appear. Feel free to discover them on your app. For the most important tool we need is how to merge a layer on another. Make sure you are in the layer you want to merge with the layer below it. Choose the tool with an arrow and point two rectangles. And this is how to merge layers together. For filters, click on your layer, choose first option, and you will get your filter like overlay, color burn, etc. Anyways, for more filters, click on the four squares, choose the magic stick. A lot of filters will appear. They're so cool, so take your time discovering each one. Another cool tool is the 3D, where you can see all your layers 3D. It's amazing for large canvas and an image inside another.
Now we learn how to sharpen the lines and make them smoother.
First, we choose our victim brush, usually a line sketch brush. Now, we add fixability to the line. This setting will work for all. The brushes. You can choose any degree. Personally, I prefer 30%. So much better. We move on to make the brush sharper. This setting doesn't work for all the brushes but what you edited. Now click on your brush choose the second option and scroll to the bottom. Turn on this option to control the sharpness of your brush. And there you go. Enjoy. You got the perfect lines. Don't forget to follow me for more tutorials.
That's all for today. If you have any questions, let them in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.